We turned $600 into $100,000, and this is how we did it. So we started with $600 and we purchased inventory from Alibaba, just like I explained in all of my videos. But of course, I don't think $600 is enough to start Amazon FBA. You definitely need a lot more than that. So we sold our inventory on Facebook Marketplace first. Basically, we sold it locally. There was also an app called Carousel where you can sell your used items or new items. Small businesses were putting their inventory on there, and we had people coming to our home address picking up the lashes, the bracelets, and the sunglasses that we were selling. So we continued to do that, and we turned $600 into $3,000 through that way. And once we would run out of inventory, we would just use that money to purchase more inventory until we turned that $600 into $3,000. And once we had $3,000, we said it's time to upgrade, it's time to go to the next level. And this is when I discovered Amazon FBA, and we decided to invest in that. So sunglasses was our most successful product. From lashes, bracelets, sunglasses was the best seller. People were most interested in that through locally, of course, those methods that I was just talking about. So we picked a style that was not already on Amazon. It was a new design, and we ordered 300 units of just one SKU. Now, previously when we were selling on Facebook Marketplace, we would order maybe 10 units of each SKU and have a bunch of styles so that we have variety. But with Amazon, it's a different game. So we ordered 300 units of just one, and we sent it to influencers to promote these sunglasses. So we sent around 50 to 100 packages to influencers. We also did something called the Amazon Vine program. So we got in some reviews, and the traction just built up. This is our listing right now. You can see we have over 300 reviews. We have so many influencers organically talking about our sunglasses now. We don't even have to send them products or free products anymore. They do Amazon lives with our sunglasses. They gain commissions because they are through the Amazon Associates program. So truly this listing was just running itself. We did, of course, a lot of effort at the beginning, but then once the listing got up and running, we didn't have to do much, and we didn't even have to send out influencer packages anymore. Now, once we hit 100K, we actually sold out of our sunglasses, and we decided to not restock it. I wanted to move on to a different product. I am a serial entrepreneur. To be honest, I am on a mission to prove that I can pretty much sell anything on Amazon. So this was purely an emotional decision. I wasn't passionate about the sunglasses anymore because we were already selling it for a while on Facebook Marketplace, and it already wasn't so much of a passion product for me. So I wanted to move on to home products, which we did. But just so you know, I still have to this day people messaging our Own the Trend Instagram page asking about these sunglasses and if they're going to restock. So I've now moved on to home products, and we recently launched our gold multi-layer hanger. I picked this product, of course, because of the demand, but I saw something that wasn't already available on Amazon, which is the gold version with clips so that you can hold skirts, you can hold kids' clothes, baby clothes. So I searched Alibaba and found a supplier that was able to customize it for me in the color that I wanted, and did my branding and everything like that the exact same way that I did with the sunglasses. So it's been less than a month, and we've already sold 88 units of our gold multi-layer hanger. We actually get sales every day, which is great. Usually don't even get your first sale until the first 2 weeks. So we have sold 88 units so far, and we have 18 reviews on our listing. Now, this product has much more demand than the sunglasses had, and has much less competition than the sunglasses had. One of my big problems with the sunglasses is that we were mainly competing with the Chinese manufacturers. They were selling like a pack of 4 for $10, and we were selling one for $25. So it was a little bit expensive. We were still getting sales, which means people loved our sunglasses, but it just wasn't sustainable. We didn't see the growth that we wanted to see. So yeah, guys, that's how we turned $600 into $100,000, and we plan on doing the same exact thing with this gold multi-layer hanger that we just launched. So if you want to keep up with my journey and see how it goes, then please follow me on this channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.